Una kong tatanungin si Gardo. Gardo?
Ako, Pastor.
Wala pa. Sabi sa inyo, handang-handa. Excited.
When you walked into this room, you hardly knew anyone. Sea full of strangers crashing on the rungs. When the band strikes by the
Mommy Eleanor. Dear. Una-una, gusto lang kitang batiin na congratulations. Dahil ako ang napag-asawa. Napakaswerte mo dahil sa dinami-dami ng babae sa mundo. Ikaw ang pinili ko.
let it all go. Oh, shake up your soul. Throw your hands in the air. Throw your hat in the rain. Throw your hips and your heart into everything. Get lost in the crowd. Get down on the floor. Let's dance with everybody who came through that door.
Marami sa akin umiyak at lalong-lalo nang nagpantasya. Ganun pa man, ikaw ang pinili ko. Kahit sobrang lakas ng tropa ko.
Thank you sa pagtitiis sa topak ko. Tulad ng pagtitiis ko sa paghilik mo. Wingar Gabriel. Daddy, ngayong araw na to, masasabi ko na you really was sent by God.
When she's okay, then I'm alright. When she's awake, I'm up all night. And nothing really matters. Nothing really matters. I see her face.
Sabi ko kasi dati, ayoko pa talaga mag-try ulit because of my past traumatic experience. But you showed how genuine you are with your intentions, especially with my daughter, that now our daughter.
Reads me right and wrong. It's so clear she's all that I need, all I need. Yeah. I know what it feels like. I know what it feels like. Swimming through the stars when I see her. And I don't need her cause I breathe her.
Pinakita mo kung gaano ka kawiling maging tatay ng anak ko. Sa effort, oras, alaga, pasensya na binibigay mo kay Ayla. Because of you, I tried and believed in love again.
Every time I see her.
Grabe, hindi ko lubos maisip na nandito ako ngayon, ikakasal na, haha. Kasi diba, sabi ko sa'yo dati, kahit tumanda na akong mag-isa, basta kasama ko kayo, masaya na ako. Sobrang grateful ako dahil never kong naramdaman na may kulang sa pagkatao ko dahil sa inyo. Thank you for everything you do and still continue to do for me. I admit it, I learned a lot by looking up to you, and even though I never tell you, I'm proud of you and who you are, and thank you for being there for me when I had no one to turn to. I love you.
I know what it feels like. I know what it feels like. Swimming through the stars when I see her. And I don't need her cause I breathe her. I know what it feels like. I know what it feels like. Yeah, I breathe her. Breathe her. Every time.
Nandito lang ako. Kahit magkaanak ka ng 10, mag-asawa ka pero isa lang. Hindi pwedeng iba. Nandito lang si ate. Love you.
Every time I see her. Oh, every time I see her. Oh, when she's okay, then I'm alright. When she's awake, I'm up all night, and nothing really matters. Nothing really matters.
Standing today, you don't need to worry. We will conquer it together. You are my home. I will never stop fighting for us. I love you. Nanginig ako.
Kaya ako takot pumasok sa isang relationship ulit kasi may anak ako. Gusto ko pagka may papasukin man ako sa buhay ko, so tanggap na tanggap yung ako, tsaka lalong-lalo na yung anak ko.
For all those times you stood by me, for all the truth that you made me see, for all the joy you brought to my life, for all the
Sobrang mahal na mahal ko kasi yung bata.
for every dream you make come true, for all the love I found,
Siyempre, hindi naman talaga ako yung tunay na daddy. Pero, hindi ko paparamdam sa kanya na may kulang.
never let me fall. You're the one who saw me through it all. You were my strength when I was weak. You were my voice when I couldn't speak. You were my eyes when I couldn't see. You saw the best there was in me, lifted me up when I couldn't reach. You gave me faith 'cause you believed I'm everything I am because you love me. Oh, God.
Gusto kong lumaki siya na may maayos na tatay yung tatay sa kanya. Which is, akala ko dating parang wala nang darating. Kasi feeling ko lahat ng lalaki, pare-pareho lang kasi. Pero hindi naman pala. Meron pala ding ibibigay si Lord na tao na para sa'yo. Which is, ayun, ito na. Dumating na.
'Cause you were my strength. Oh, when I couldn't speak. Saw the best there was in me. Oh.
Every night talaga, nagdadasal ako, iiyak ako. Nagpipray ako na bibigyan man ako ng chance ulit na magmahal. Sana sa tamang tao na, ayan, may binigay si Lord. So, lahat ng hiling natin sa Kanya, lahat yan may perfect timing. Kaya, sabi nga, when the time is right, the Lord will make it happen. So, it is happening na. And super saya ko. Super thankful ako kay Lord. Binigay niyang gift na to sa akin. And hindi lang sa akin, para din sa anak ko.
Everything I am. Because you love me.
Pame!